Serving Essex, Kent, and Lambton counties, this is CBC Television, Windsor 9.
A banner that says, "Welcome, Princess Celeste"?
But how, dear?
Take it down and try again. Take it down and try again. Take it down and try again.
Hey, Boot. And I, Pinkie Pie, declare...
We're all gonna get laid!
Hey, Boot.
Besides, it'll be nice to have a companion for Spike so he won't bother me so much while I'm studying.
I know. Stop fooling around.
Hey, Boot, no creature that behaves so revoltingly is allowed in my boutique.
Good! You deserve to die, you little bastard!
Hey, Boot.
Okay, here's the plan. Rainbow Dash, you distract them. Good! Everyone else, we need to build an exact copy of Ponyville right over there. We've got less than a minute!
Hey, Boot.
Governor, these people are dummies.
I know that. How do you think I got elected?
Hey, Boot,
You're ruining our efforts to save Ponyville!
me? Ruin? I'm not the ruiner. I am the ruinee. Or is it ruin us? Ruinette?
For you know that he walked me home that night.
Hey, Boot.
You're doomed.
Hey, Boot.
It's always great to be back in Philadelphia and reflect on those glory years, those 2 consecutive Stanley Cups in 74 and 75. But of course, all things change.
I'm afraid an emergency has come up in Philadelphia. A swarm of incredibly bothersome creatures has invaded the poor town.
Jesus!
Before I have to go, would you care to give me your latest report on the magic of friendship in person?
I learned how to give a hug.
And a hug is?
It's when you wrap your arms around a human's body and squeeze.
I thought that's what Earthlings call wrestling.